26 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0 0, 3 times 1 3, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 3 9, 3 times 4 12. To find out the multiplication table of 3 easily, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15. 3 goes into 2 how many times? 0 times, as 2 is less than 3, so 0 times 3 is 0. Subtract 2, bring down this 6. 3 goes into 26 how many times? Look here, 9 times 27, which is get us, so 8 times. 8 times 3 24. Subtract, you are getting 2. So our answer is 0 8, means 8 remainder 2. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal and add any number of zeros. Bring down the first 0. 3 goes before the 0, there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 3 goes into 20 how many times? 7 times 21, so 6 times. 6 times 3, 6 times 3 18. Subtract 2, bring down the 0. So 3 goes into 20 again 6 times. 6 times 3 18. 2, bring down more 0. 3 goes into 20 again 6 times. 6 times 3 18. Subtract 2, you can bring down more 0, but since we have gotten 3 0 after decimal, we can place here 3 dot. So our answer is 8.666 dot dot dot, or you can place here over bar. So 8.6 bar is our answer.